How to delete Honeywell thermostat schedule. Follow these instructions. Tap the menu button on the thermostat screen to open the main settings and configuration options. Scroll through the menu and select Preferences or Advanced Settings, depending on your thermostat model. Navigate to and choose Schedule Options or Schedule Settings from the available preferences list. Select the Reset Schedule or Restore Default Schedule option to start clearing all programmed settings. Confirm your action when the screen asks if you want to delete or reset all scheduled temperature settings. Wait a few seconds while the thermostat processes the reset and removes all previously saved schedules. Return to the home screen, and your thermostat will now run without any programmed schedule or timed settings. Thank you for watching.